Hey honeys, it's Ams. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. I'll give you some time for that. Okay, good. All right, so if you did, thank you so much. All right, so if you're returning here, welcome back. Today I'm in collab with Unice hair. So I'm getting ready basically for Valentine's Day. It's coming up soon. So first, when I open the box, I have this cute little compact mirror. I like it. It's pink. Perfect pink. Okay, so yeah, you can see the compact mirror here on the front side. And then right here on the back, it has the Unice logo. So it's super cute. Put that back in there. Okay, next I have the actual wig. But they gave me gifts, so I want to go through the gifts right quick. So this here is a satin wig bag to store the wig. Has the logo. They gave me a Unice hair clip. This is a pair of gold hoops. Oh, how cute. All right. A pack of wig caps. Can never have too many wig caps, but you know that right now. I go through wig caps so fast. A pair of lashes. Ooh, this is different. What is this? Ooh, makeup brush. Okay, so give me a little makeup brush. You can actually use this to tint your lace if you like to use powder. That would be perfect. And oh my goodness, just so many gifts. Gifts. Okay, so this is a lace melting band with their logo on it. Okay, so double-sided. I'm gonna use this to lay my lace down. I'm gonna lay my lace down today. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and glue my wig down. All right, and then here we go. It came in, they gave me an extra little mesh bag. So that's nice, that's nice. So let's go ahead and get this hair out. The hair is 24 inches and the lace is Swiss lace in medium brown color. And you see we have an adjustable band. What I like is that the lace is already pre-plucked. And yeah, let's get into it. So I went ahead and plucked a little bit more around that part. Not much. That's why I was like, it's no point for me including because I'm not going to pluck much at all. Because I showed you guys like this is a side part type of wig. As you see, there is not a lot of lace right through here. So since there's not that much lace right through here, you don't want to over pluck and give yourself a bald spot or, you know, show any tracks. So I think this was good enough, like what I did, just a little bit right here around this part. Okay, good. So this is good right here. Right here in this space, you can't really see where my wig cap stops. So this is perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is cut the lace, clip the hair back, clip this hair back and cut the lace longer than what I would want. So I'm just come through here, cut off a lot of that sideburn. But you do not have to do this. You can leave as much sideburn as you want. But you see, look how natural that looks for me. I have to cut off this much. Alright, so I'm going to try this Go Glueless. I have not tried this before. This is actually their Lace in Place stick. Alright, so first I'm going to let it get tacky. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it down. Up. Okay, you see this. This hair right now is not moving. Wow. This is pretty good. stuff it makes Well, I'm going to use some oil to take away some of this, a little bit of this crustiness on the side. Alright, so I like the fact that this Go Glueless works so well for adhesive. I really like it. I have a couple of flakes right here. Get some of those out with the brush. Comb those down. Now I'm going to actually take some pomade and I'm going to put it in my hands because this hair is pretty laid. I don't feel that I have to add too much because I already have a part. I'm not establishing a new part. So I'm just adding just a little pomade. I don't want the hair to be too oily from it. And take the hot comb and press it in place. Don't forget that crown. I always say don't forget the crown. Don't forget the crown of your head. This is where your hair likes to hike up the most. Okay, let's take a moment to acknowledge the fact that this lace was a good match. Okay, I didn't tint it at all. I'm going to go ahead and style some baby hair. Layers, I'm first start off making it way longer than what I'm going to have it actually be, but just so I can cut off some of the hair. Go ahead and put some of my glueless foam gel. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lace melting band, some of my pomade, just a little bit right up through here. Just so I can add some more volume in the front. Best way to add some volume, just tease the hair, just like that, comb it over. Go ahead and use the large barrel. I've curled a couple of pieces already off camera by accident, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling. I really do like body wave hair, and this is the reason why, because it is the perfect hair when it comes to curling, when it comes to straightening. I could do so many things with it, and that's what I really enjoy. It's so versatile. But also, I just believe that, you know, when you make this investment in human hair, you want to be able to alter your hair the way you want. You don't want to feel like you're restricted all the time. You have to pick wisely when you're spending your own money. Okay, quality. That's what we love. We love quality. This is quality. The link to this hair is in the description box below, but I also have included the products I've used in this video. I feel that they are pretty good quality products, so if you want to check those out, I have them listed. Some are from Amazon and some are from other websites. Unice has a variety of wigs, so I definitely recommend that you look at their website and see what they have to offer, because you never know, you may see something else that you like as well. So definitely take a look at the website. I love the loose waves. I love it. Okay, so next I am actually going to take this off first. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I just had a couple of pieces out of line, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. Okay, so now we're gonna add some Fit Me powder to the part and make this look super natural and seamless. The lace already is a really good match for my skin tone. However, you can see that I have my wig cap right here. So I always like to make sure that I go back in with my Fit Me powder and I cover that up, just to make sure you cannot see the difference. And I just put it all the way through the part. It's looking like scalp. Okay, this is so pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and now last gonna add some spray. So this is just my Aussie Moist hairspray. Yeah, this makes me feel like a Southern Belle. So pretty. You can already tell I am loving this body wave hair. Okay, Unice, you did something with this, okay? Because this hair right here is so pretty. The quality is so bomb. I'm obsessed with it because the fact that it's long is full. I love when my hair is full, okay? I like my hair making sure that my ends are not super thin. It's soft. It's got so much volume to it. I can't stop touching it. I just can't. I can't stop touching it. Only thing I'm gonna say is I did have a couple of flyaways right through here and it was not bad at all. You only can wear this as a side part. So give or take, that could be a pro or con for you. Really pretty hair for a vacation. Every day, but especially a vacation. You know, we like to take some really nice quality hair for a vacation. Take them pictures. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know, do you like the way I styled this hair? And if you would style it any differently or the same, let me know. I want to know your opinion about this if you purchase it. Please share it down in the comments, okay? So thank you so much for watching.